Hello everyone, welcome back to TBT English. In this video, I have a simple sentence. I'm going to share this to you and let you learn step by step to understand a part of sentence in this video. Alright, so the first you can read it as a simple sentence. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. So the sentence, we call it as a simple sentence. It is a type of declarative sentence, and if we talk about a tense, we call it as the present perfect tense. Okay, នឹងឯអ្នកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងប្រយោគនេះយើងស្គាល់ហើយវាជា simple sentence ប្រយោគធម្មតាមួយហើយវាជាប្រភេទ declarative sentence មានន័យថាប្រយោគ it's like something that you want to declare the activity or something that you want to confirm the action that you have finished, you have done. សកម្មភាពដែលយើងបានបញ្ចប់សពគ្រប់ហើយយើង confirm វាឡើងវិញយើងបញ្ជាក់បង្ហាញហៅប្រភេទ declarative sentence ហើយនៅពេលដែលយើងនិយាយពីប្រភេទប្រយោគនេះអាស្រ័យទៅលើ form របស់វាយើងឃើញមាន subject មាន auxiliary verb have ហើយនិង verbs 3ដែលឈរនៅបន្ទាប់ពី have នេះយើងអាចហៅវាបានថាជា present perfect tense មែនទេហ្នឹងហើយយើងហៅវាថាជា present perfect tense. So you can call it as a present perfect tense because you can see the simple forms subject plus auxiliary verb have and verbs 3 finished. Alright, verbs 3 is called past participle verb, the third form of verb that we have: finish, finished, and finished. Okay, let me move on. Something that I want to let everyone learn in this simple sentence or this declarative sentence. I have 3 things to take up. ខ្ញុំមានរឿង3យ៉ាងដែលចង់ឲ្យអ្នកនាងមករៀនជាមួយខ្ញុំទី1ខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យអ្នកនាងមកស្គាល់ពីធាតុផ្សំរបស់ប្រយោគហ្នឹងតើនៅក្នុងមួយប្រយោគធម្មតាហ្នឹងវាមានស្អីខ្លះដែលយើងមិចបញ្ចូលគ្នាហ្នឹងហើយទី2គឺ part of speech ទី3តួនាទីរបស់ពាក្យណាអញ្ចឹងរឿង3យ៉ាងទី1គឺយើងនឹងមកស្គាល់ពីធាតុផ្សំផ្នែក element នីមួយៗរបស់ប្រយោគហ្នឹងហើយ part of speech និងតួនាទីរបស់ពាក្យ Alright, are you ready? Move on. So based on the sentence as you see here, just come to separate the part of sentence. How many parts of this sentence we can separate it? So the first you can separate as 2 parts. Alright, we have the subjects and then another one from here. Have finished my work. All of this we call verb phrase. ហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងបែងចែកវាយើង separate វាតែមួយមកដក subject បន្ទាប់ពី subject មកយើងហៅវាថាជា verb phrase. អូខេអញ្ចឹងវាមានធាតុផ្សំ2ចម្បងគឺវាមាន subject បូកនឹង verb phrase. You can separate it as another part here. Alright, this is, you can call it as the main verb have finished. It is the verb that show the action of the sentence happen, and my work here is noun phrase. Alright, so I can say it subject here, I can say it verb, and I can say it object here. That's mean noun phrase. Okay, so let you move on to know it because a subject, verb or noun phrase here, I will tell you in a part of function. Yes. Okay, so now let you move on to see and understand about part of speech in all of this word. You see. អញ្ចឹង I នៅទីនេះវាជា pronoun. It is pronoun. In Khmer we call it as subponym. And this is verb. Yes. And this is verb. And it is adjective. It is noun. Okay, I hope you know it. Once again, pronoun, verb, adjective, and noun. Now you know the part of speech of each word here. You recognize all of part of speech, and after the part of speech, you can learn to understand about the function of each part of speech. Okay. ពេលដែលយើងបានស្គាល់អំពី part of speech ជាធម្មតាយើងអាចដឹងអំពីតួនាទីរបស់ពាក្យ When you recognize the part of speech of each word, you can know about the position or function of each words that happen in a part of sentence. Example, when you know about the pronoun can stand as a subject or object. When you know about the verb can stand as the main verb or can stand as the subverb, or we can call it to infinitive verb or modified verb, something like that. And when you know about the adjective, you can know the word that we use to modify noun. We know about noun, we can know about the function of the noun that we can use as the subject or the object. Yes, the reason that I want you to know about the part of speech before move to understand about function, because part of speech let us know the position or the function of each word in a part of sentence. Okay, so the next part, you can learn to analyze and understand more about the function of each word. As you see, I, it is the pronoun, so pronoun here function as subject of this whole sentence. So I as the subject of this whole sentence, and have here is just an auxiliary verb that we use to have this simple sentence to be the present perfect tense. Because after have you can see verb, another one is verb 3 or verb as past participle verb. And finish here, it is the main verb, a past participle verb. Because in a simple form of perfect tense we have or has, and verb 3 or verb past participle for present time, and had plus verb 3 or past participle form for past perfect. Alright, you got it. And then here, actually might here we used to modify work. Yeah, work is noun here. If you call these two words, you can call it as noun phrase. Alright, this noun phrase function as object of the verb. Help finished. So adjective might we used to modify noun work, and my work is the noun phrase function as the object of the verb finished. It is the answer from the question 1. What have you finished? I have finished my work, like this. Okay, so once again you can learn in this video. I can tell you again, I is pronoun function as object, and have here is the auxiliary verb we use to have the simple sentence to be with verbs 3 here finished, and then my here is the adjective, or you can call it as the determiner, or you can call it another way as modifier. Yeah, modifier, but it functions as adjective, that we call it possessive adjective, and the noun phrase function as the object of the verb finished. Okay, that's all for this video, and I hope you can learn it one by one and recognize by yourself. Thank you for spending your time to watch this video, and hope to see you next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.